Well, good morning, y'all. It's Randy of Father and Sons Fishing coming at you this morning from Frisco, North Carolina, ramp 48 and 49. And we are joined by a very special guest this morning, my dog, Vivi. Viv, say hi to everybody. Come on up here, girl. Come here. So, Viv, what are we going to do this morning besides just hang out and explore together? Vivi and I have three objectives this morning. Objective number one is we're just going to drive along the beach and explore. Objective number two is I have to finish filming a stingray video. I will link that right up here. It's a really important PSA that you definitely need to watch. It regards a pretty scary encounter that I had recently with a stingray. And then objective number three is we're going to fish. And hopefully it'll be a stingray-free fishing session. So let's just kind of get the day started. We'll see what happens. Vivs, say woof woof to the people. Well, okay, just driving along, we have our first significant find, and that is that large structure on the beach, which is a pretty sizable shark, it looks like. Let's go see what it is. Well, I'm not the greatest with shark identification, so if anybody knows what species this is, let me know in the comments down below. It's a little over 6 feet long, good sized shark, and it's a beautiful creature. I hate to see it washed up like this, so let's move on. Maybe we'll find something a little bit better. Even worse than a dead animal is litter. This is a shark eye shell. Got a brick. If anyone lost their brick in Frisco, North Carolina, I found it. So my partner in crime and I have moved north for the fishing portion of this video. We're at ramp 38, which is just south of Avon, and we switch it up here because the wind directions are a little bit different. And Viv, as you know, we're fishing with shrimp, and guess what the first thing we saw when we pulled on to the beach ramp was? A shrimp trawler. So we know there's some shrimps in these waters, and we're hoping there's a couple of fish that are around that want to eat them, right, Vivi? What do you say we get some lines in the water? Dude, that's just my fishing line. Let's hope the fish are as excited about it as you are. If nothing else, we caught us a dog today.
Moments later.
Whoa. We had a huge bite on this pole. Oh my gosh. I don't think it's on. Whoa, Vivi. We had a huge bite on this pole.
More moments later.
Oh, we got one on, Vivi. We got a fish, Viv. Viv, we got a fish. What is this gonna be? We got a fish, Vivi. Let's go see what it is, okay? Let's go see what it is. Oh, it's a shark. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay, Viv. Okay, we caught ourselves a dogfish here. Don't get too close to it. We're gonna let you go, bud. Keep going. All right, Viv. Give me a paw. That was a good one. Look out, Viv. Look out. Vivi, go back, go back, 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 back. Okay. We got a shark, Vivi. Viv, you gotta let me focus on the reel, okay? We already had a little bite there. I'm getting some bites. Fish on! All right, babe, second fish here coming up. What's this one gonna be? We got another shark. Babe, no, 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 no. Catching sharks. Okay. All right, babe, shark number 2. Want to smell it before we let him go? All right, let's let him go. All right, babe, got a fish on this pole. Let's see what it is. I'm gonna go dogfish. This will be our third fish if we can land it, and probably our last fish, because we need to get going. Is it still on? Yeah, it's on. Okay. Oh, it's a sea mullet. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a nice one. Boy, this is a nice sea mullet. We're gonna let it go though. This guy's lucky day here. So Viv, this is, whoa. Watch the hook. All right. You done playing? Let's let it go. Let's let it go, okay? Well, it pains me to do this because these are so good to eat, and this is a perfect eater size. But Mr. Sea Mullet, it's your lucky day. You can go back. Keep going. I'll get you. Okay. All right, Viv. Viv, do you want to do the outro or do you want me to do it? She wants me to do it. All right. Well, friends, today was a good day. We had a beautiful sunrise on the beach. We did some exploring. We found some shells. We cleaned up some litter. And in just a little over an hour, we caught 3 fish, 2 dogfish, Vivi's first live encounters with sharks. And then we caught that really nice sea mullet that if we didn't have dinner plans already tonight, that bad boy would be coming home with us. But instead it swam away. So Viv, tell the people what they should do to father and sons fishing. That's right, you heard Vivi. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider doing so. That's it for now, friends. Tight lines, and we'll see you soon. You're gonna give me some licks there?